I'm popping, see them watch like it's outrageous how this flavor got them shook like. Hold up. You can't play me, rein me in, or try and tame me. Oh gosh, I feel fabulous. Show me how you go.
Welcome. Come on in. Day one. Oh my god. Biscuit. You can like dance. Oh, did you leave outside? Welcome home. The master bedroom, the walk-through closet, and the shower. This is your morning workout. Thanks, guys. People always ask me about my nails and all my different sports and stuff, and it's winter, so check these out. These are called sheer techs. Yeah, you can do that with them. So ladies, these are the ones for this winter. So I have fallen in love with this brand. It's called Veronica Beard. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And I ended up getting it in the shirt and the dress, because how could I not? It's got this weird little tie, so from the side it kind of looks like bigger, but it's definitely not. It's got a side zip, which is so interesting. No problem. All my shoes are too big for me now, which is such a weird problem to have. So if anybody knows about boots that would fit these legs, send me some brands. Can't believe it. These are Gucci's. They should come smaller, you would think. I stole all my sippy cups, so I'm taking this in the car, and I feel like this is gonna be a really bad idea. Did I think it would be a bad idea? Truck's going in tomorrow. Life of an agent, I tell you. Always on the go.
Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want the good life every good night, you're a hot one to hold. Cause you don't even know, I can make your hands clap.
These are really fun if you've never tried one or had one. Really great. I'm doing a lot of estate homes and probate sales, and there is one really great bonus that I always look forward to, and I'm excited for today's gift. I collect quite a few cool older pieces from my clients, and today I've been gifted with this thing. This is an original. If you know anything about appliances, you want originals, so last a lifetime. The new shit ain't gonna last anything. Quite literally. Look at this thing. Almost spent $1,000 like 4 or 5 days ago on Best Buy because I was gonna order a freezer, and then God got me one. How beautiful do you look? Thank you.
Jumped up like a lion, tangles in my hair. Call me what you want, I don't care. I'm on fire in my underwear, doing what I want like a millionaire. I turn it up another notch, I rock it loud and make it hot. I spike the punch and make it pop. Don't stop.
Start the juggling act of 2 personalities, and it takes me 5 minutes to put on my other personality. I will fireplace relax. My open house is done, and I'm just waiting for them because we're actually going to go to dinner together. Today's adventure, I'm actually back at work, and Sean is here. He's going to be so excited because I got him a Thomas Haas sandwich. It's our favorite. We're going to feast. I think only 20 people are going to come.
So we've got a new listing at Upper Delbrook.
Let's show them.
We got a new listing at Upper Delbrook. It's a fantastic house. But I think in the price range, I think we'll probably have 20 people today.
Yeah, I got you cookies. This one is a renovator's dream. Love it. Original. Ooh la la. A renovator's dream. See, when it comes to houses, it's not great when they're half done or half renovated. See, when someone comes in and they want to renovate a home, they want to put their own touch on it. And if some half of it, like say one kitchen but not the bathrooms, is already done, people don't know what to do with that house. Is it a house that they're going to renovate, or is it a house that they're going to live in as is? And it puts it in this unknown category. Whereas when you are fully original, everybody feels good about updating it. And it's clear this home is ready for a renovation. So renovators, come on.
I fought for all that I had. I had to learn.
If he wants his sandwich that bad, watch how fast he'll jump out of the car. Mark my words. Honestly, I'm the best. So it is 2:09. Sean, what's happening at 2:09?
209, we have about 7 groups, and I am going to get some more features.
I win. Realtor doing realtor things down there. He still hasn't come back inside though.
So what is this?
Only
What
at
is that?
883 square feet.
So what, that was a long one, that's a small one.
This one,
So cut the cake and let's see. Right next to me is where you wanna be. I just can't stop. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll.
That thing you ordered more.
Little powwow.
Yes,
Where are we going?
we're doing door knocking and killing it.
Yeah, just no big deal. We're pretty much crushing the door knocking right now. So today we're going to finish off in Vienna. And I think we'll do 50.
50, yeah, 25 each.
Oh yeah, and it is raining out. But we got our heels on. We're good.
Can't help but have a good little laugh that I sat inside all summer. And now that it's raining every day, I'm going to go door knocking every day. Typical Ashley move. Good thing I know I like raining. Yeah? No, I say we loop on the loops. Stay on the cul-de-sac. Okay, so now we're actually printing the exact number that we're gonna go try to hit, so we know when we're done the pile that we're done our goal for the day. We've also started using this right to write on for our goals. And where are we going today? So, oops, I almost dropped the phone. We are gonna head up here near our last sold, and we're gonna be doing this section. This is the concentrate and saturate model. I was actually wearing a skirt this morning, but then I felt this need to change and wear my chest shirt. I've never worn my chest shirt. And I had these late notices from Post Canada, and I have a feeling these are my new chest boards. Oh, this is backgammon. Can you see this? Look at this. Like, why would you pack something like this? Oh man, this is a nice chess set. I went all in for my first one, obviously. Oh yeah. Okay. This is money. Set.
Nickels down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight. Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Workout, I have to get like over the pillow.
How wild she is. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Back up from the edge. Okay. Yeah, she tumbles off, and that's never a good thing for Wonton because, my God, she's just tiny. We barely slept last night because it was so stressful. I had multiple offers on a house last night, and oh God, one was so much higher than the others. And of course, we wanted to take that one, obviously. And we went back and forth. 5 offers in total, but one was like an outlier high. Back and forth with the agent. Conversations. He's negotiating. He's going to drop all his subjects. Great. And after all of that, owners come to the store, sign in person. We send it back over. Then the agent says there's a miscommunication and they can't. So I saw the owners at 6 p.m. We're going to take the fourth offer, so the second highest. I'm gonna get up and go maneuver that. Luckily, that family already submitted a deposit check, so I know they're good to go. Here's the moral of the story. The highest offer we still could take. How high is it? Significantly higher. And they want 4 days for subjects. And the way they kind of, when it comes to my clients and there's multiples, a bird in the hand, a done deal is always better than subjects. You are so loud. And yeah, it'd be nice to get those extra dollars, but those extra dollars cost extra minutes, and those extra minutes are opportunities for the whole game to collapse or for the potential buyer to pivot and turn around. And thus, my family would be stuck putting the house back up on the market. I mean, it's still on the market, but dangerously closer to Christmas in the sense of the average closing is 30 to 60 days. If we close soon, they're moving during the Christmas season. Actually, in fact, I do have one house that the keys are already being handed over on the morning of December 31st. I don't think that's technically a holiday, but close enough. Good morning, one time. So first things first, I will get up. I'm going to cardio. I need a lot of energy these days. I'm door knocking a lot. I door knock the hell out of Vancouver. Well, they don't allow it anymore because we are entering into a very cold winter and the government is locking us down. And yeah, so I shall work while I can work, and I'm working really hard these days. So let's go get our cardio on. Oh, by the way, it's beautiful out. We got those winter mornings going on. Here's winter mornings of my cat. Also got a heater from one of my clients. That was so lovely. What are you thinking today? You were not supposed to be in the bed. We're gonna jump on, do some cardio. My clients are just measuring because we will be moving into this beautiful home in a couple weeks. And the owner is so lovely, let us come back to measure. Watch out. Yeah, look at this. This place is amazing. But really, we bought it because of the views. Look at this. Not a beautiful day out. Very typical for Vancouver. Gosh, this place is huge. It's bigger when it's empty always. Say hi, Celia. Yeah. Show me your new view. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. So peaceful. I just stopped the car for a minute to show you guys. Like, look, we're like sandwiched right down in the mountain. And they're like literally up on this cliff looking out. It's just spectacular. It really is. Got the freezer. So Caroline's got them going on the board over there.
And what's the name?
I don't know.
No name.
But you've kind of muffled it. So, I asked him twice. I asked him again. He kind of. I think
Do you have
John.
to bring your CMA or not?
Not till New Year. I was touch base with him in the New Year. So